So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the cover screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So what you need to do is either long press on the current wallpaper and then choose from any of these templates that you have. Okay, so if you want that, for instance, you can choose that, and that's going to be your wallpaper immediately. Again, you can long press and choose another one, and that's going to be your wallpaper. Now, if you want more options, you can always unfold your phone and go to settings. From the main settings page, scroll down to cover screen, tap on that, and then you have the wallpaper. You have these different options. Okay, these are basically templates that you can actually customize. If you want to add a completely new wallpaper, you can tap on add new, and then you have all these designs to choose from. You have these featured designs that you can choose from, and then you have the option for gallery. This basically lets you pick a photo or a video from your gallery and use it as your cover screen wallpaper. Then you have this other category called informative presets, which you can use. So you can see the preview there. Then you can hit back. If you find another one, you can tap on it and see what it's going to look like on the cover screen. You can also change a few colors here and there. And then go back again. Then you have other categories like graphical, which you can always play around with and see which one looks the best. Okay. And then you have these ones which are, they call themselves simple, and to be honest, they're simple. And you have these solid color backgrounds that you can use as well. Okay, so for instance, if I choose this one, I can do that, and then I can be able to choose the exact photo I want here. So I tap on gallery, choose maybe my own photo to add it there, or I can go back to gallery and choose a different photo. Okay, maybe I'll choose this one. That's going to be the photo that's going to be added to my cover screen wallpaper. And then I can also play around with the colors. If I don't want the default color, I can play around with the different colors. And when I'm done, simply tap on done in the top right corner, and that's going to be applied to the cover screen. And now when I look at my cover screen, I should have my new wallpaper. And that's basically how to change the cover screen wallpaper of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.